Imagine this. On Christmas Day in 2024, while people were opening gifts and enjoying food, a big telescope far away in a desert saw something unusual. It saw a rock floating in space, coming toward Earth. Scientists checked it carefully, and they found something surprising. There was a small chance this space rock could hit Earth in the year 2032. Now don't worry, let's understand this first. This rock is called Asteroid 2024-YR4. It's about 60 meters wide. That's about as tall as a 15-floor building. That might not sound scary, but something like this has happened before. A long time ago in Russia, a rock of the same size exploded in the sky. It didn't even hit the ground, but it knocked down millions of trees. So yes, even a 60-meter rock is powerful. At first, scientists thought there was only a 1% chance it would hit Earth. That sounds small, but for scientists, that's actually a big deal. Then something strange happened. As they studied more, the chance went higher. 1%, then 2%, then over 3%. That means about 1 in 32 chances. That made scientists nervous. Big space organizations like NASA and others around the world started paying close attention. They even used their most powerful telescope to watch this small space rock. Then came some good news.
Probability holding at 0.
Confirmed. Trajectory is clear.
In February 2025, scientists said, "Don't worry, it will not hit Earth." Everyone felt relieved. But there was a new question. If it won't hit Earth, could it hit the Moon instead? There was a small chance, about 4%. Now hitting the Moon is not as bad, but it could still cause problems. Pieces could fly into space and damage satellites around Earth. And in the future, astronauts might even be living on the Moon. Then something tricky happened. The asteroid moved behind the Sun. Scientists couldn't see it anymore. For a long time, they didn't know what would happen. But in 2026, they got one last chance to find it again. Using a powerful telescope, they finally spotted it. They did the final calculations. And then came the best news. The chance of it hitting the Moon was 0. It will safely pass by. We are safe. But here's something important. This asteroid passed Earth once already, and we didn't even know it was there. Scientists found it after it had already gone by. That means there are still many space rocks out there that we haven't discovered yet. Some of them could be heading toward us. The good news is, scientists have already tested ways to stop asteroids, so we can protect Earth. But first, we need to find them. Because space is not trying to hurt us, but it's also not protecting us. That job is ours.